I may have been lumped in, wrongfully in my opinion, with people who prepare meals in extravagant, delicious ways. I don't know why I didn't just use the word cook. I feel like I've been lumped in with cooks. It might be still photos, TikToks, real stories, dedicated Instagram. But anyways, all that being said, I just got a text invite from the minimalist king of home ownership, Mr. Rushmore. He's cooking some food, and I don't have anything to try to cook. Like, I hate to show up empty-handed. Potatoes, maybe. Unplanned dry January. We can go ahead and end that now. Ow. I will be back. He's still there. It's gonna catch us by surprise. Hello, all my children. Hello, all my. Don't you have something to show? Don't you have some place you wish you could go? Gather around, my children. Gather around, my friends. Don't you have some place to go? Don't you have something you wish you could know? Romantic, don't make no scene. You get asked, why do I like food photos so much? Well, a couple of reasons. A, it's fun to eat all the work that you put into something. Get to come and hang out with the likes of Mr. Rushmore while he cooks delicious stuff. Another thing, some people really didn't like some modeling type photos for whatever reason. So having a dedicated thing for food photos made a lot of sense. This is the kind of state that makes you go, Peter Luger, who? Up in Brooklyn. Don't ban me from Brooklyn. Mr. Rushmore, maybe you didn't want to be on camera, but thank you for the delicious meal. It's much appreciated. I got the greasy finger, the juice filled, whatever stuff comes out of meat.
Fabulous hair.
With the Wari Party glasses, he's a model, ladies and gentlemen. Hit like button and subscribe. Never miss a shot from Dudley P. Rushmore's house.